Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Google Drive for desktop, so let's start. First you have to write Google Drive desktop download on Google. Then let's go to this one that says download Google Drive. In this case it's in Spanish, but the same steps are in English. Just click here. And then this is the principal page. So just click here on download Drive for your desktop. Just wait a little bit until this is download, and then when it's download you can install Google Drive to your computer, so just can create and direct access to it, and if you want to your file, etc., you can do it. So then just click on install, then just wait a little bit until this is installed to your computer. So let's wait. Now that it's installed Google Drive to your computer, it gives you the welcome to Google Drive. Then just click on start, and you can start like login to your account. So just click on login. Just select the account that you want to. In this case, I want this account. Just click on start login, and then it starts to log in your Drive on your computer. So just wait a little bit until this is done, and this start to using Google Drive. So now you can click here on the welcome drive, and you can sign in with your desktop, files, and downloads. So you can create a copy of security for your pictures and for all of your files. Okay, so just click on got it, and also you can see the files that it has Google Drive. So you can do whatever you want. If you prefer, you can select what you want, and you can add a new file or carpet here. You can just click here and add something new if you want, and then you can click on continue. So that's the way to do it. That's how we can start using Google Drive. So as you can see, it's not difficult. Just you have to select the files that you want to share with Google Drive and protect them, of course, with a security code, and you can go and open Drive. Okay, so this is how you can start using it and Google Drive on your desktop without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.